Hello, dear kids. Today we're going to do something super exciting. We're going to build a real auto workshop. Our friends need to look at the plans carefully so we can build everything the right way. Let's start with the blueprints. Look at this. This is the awesome auto workshop we're going to build. Let's begin the construction. Let's build the walls of the auto workshop. Carefully attach the walls to the floor. The walls and floor are ready. Bravo! Why do we need an auto workshop? Of course, so we can fix our favorite cars and make them even stronger. Let's install the air ventilation system. This machine will remove dust and dirty air from the auto workshop, so we always have clean, fresh air to breathe. Now let's add the lights. Mount the light bulbs. Carefully connect the electric wires. And test them. Wow, the lights are shining bright. Time to install the shelves. We'll use them to store car parts and all the tools we need for fixing cars. Now let's set up the car lift. With this, we can lift cars up and look underneath to check what needs fixing. What tools do we need to fix a car? Let's check our awesome toolbox. Adjustable wrench. Screwdriver. Hammer. Small adjustable wrench. Scissors. And a regular wrench. Our auto workshop is ready. Great job, friends! We did something amazing today. And in the next video, we're going to fix Reddy and get him back on the road again.